Hey, I'm back. I look a mess because I had a mask on all day. But anyhow, how are you guys doing? Why do I feel like I heard something? I'm downstairs, I'm tripping. Oh, it's my chair. Okay, so it's been a minute. It's been so much going on, honestly. So long story short, yeah, I was Christmas shopping, and what had happened was, when me and Melania came back, we were probably gone for like, okay, so let me rewind. So Melania fractured her thumb. Long story short, her sister mistakenly closed her thumb in like the crack of the door. So I get a phone call from my husband, like, he didn't really tell me at first because I think he didn't want me to really like, get too worried or whatever. And I'm like, what's wrong? Like, I can tell something is wrong. So anyways, he told me what happened. So I'm rushing to see, okay, if he's thinking about urgent care, then it must be something serious. And it looked bad. So we took her to urgent care and come to find out she fractured it, but everything's fine. So then literally the next day, we were out and about Christmas shopping for other people. And we were probably out for like 4 hours. I get back home, Melania opens the door, and I'm getting presents, and she's like, she runs out like, mommy, and I'm thinking like her thumb hurt or she did something to it. Come to find out, there was water leaking when you first walk in my house. And I'm like, oh my God. And I knew that that was my bathroom. So I run upstairs and there's water everywhere. And I'm like, what the hell? So I'm freaking out. Melania's getting things. We're getting towels. We're calling my husband. We're just freaking out. I go to the bathroom, and my garage is right near my bathroom because that's the living room. And I'm hearing water. I'm like, yo, that's all the way over across from the other side of the house when you first get in. Where's this water coming from? I open the door. My freaking ceiling is like fucking caved in, water everywhere. And it's sheetrock, and sheetrock can't hold that type of water because it was a toilet. It was just going and going because it cracked right where you flush it. I don't know how. Haven't had no issues with that. But yeah, it cracked. So long story short, Christmas was just like, what? I had these big ass heaters. They're like humidifiers. They sucked every moisture out to prevent mold. But I had it up until Christmas Eve. I was a little like sad, like, damn, there's big ass things everywhere. And we didn't have anything really for Christmas, but we did have some friends and family come. So I'm just like, what the fuck? So luckily they took that on Christmas Eve. That made me feel a little bit better. But I'm telling you, like, we never seen it coming, like literally. So I was already mentally taking a break away from YouTube. But when that happened, I was like, yo, I need to step away. So I took some time off, and I decided that I was just going to start again in January. And I knew I was going to do it after the week of the 1st because I needed some me time. I know some people take it and whatever the case might be, but I really needed to like have a mental break from everything. So I really wasn't on social media like that, which is not like me. I mean, I'm on social media, but I'm not like on all the time, but like I'm on it a good amount of time, and I just took a break from everything. So anyways, I wrote down some goals for myself, and I really want to try and do these things. I got a book that I'll probably talk about later. I don't have it right now. It's all good. But yeah, that's pretty much what happened. I mean, who would have ever thought? Luckily, we have insurance, and it is what it is. But it's still like, we were supposed to do some other remodeling, and that was never something that we were going to do. Like, we always wanted to redo our bathroom, but that was on our time. So yeah, life has a funny way of doing things. It was a gift and a curse at the same time. I just wasn't in the mind frame of doing that. I wanted to start on outside. So by the time the summer came, because we just found out the kids are going to be virtual for the rest of the school year, which Melania wasn't going to go back anyway, but they were in talks. And I was just like really, the numbers in North Carolina are sky high. So yeah, We found that out. And I just know like pools are gonna, you know, people are gonna be trying to buy them. So I just wanna go ahead and get our pool and start outside, but this is gonna get delayed. But you know what, I'm like, thank God we're in a position where we can take care of stuff like this, because everybody can't. But I'm not going to talk your heads off because it's going on too much. But long story short, I'm back. I'm going to do more things. I'm going to do an Amazon haul. I'm going to do another makeup tutorial. I bought Fenty, the pressed powder. So I'm excited to do that with you guys. I just want to get back to the old me. I feel like everybody's dealing with this pandemic the best way they can. I've said this multiple times on different videos, but your girl was dealing with some stuff and I'm back. I'm back and I'm better. But anyways, I did my nails. They look like shit, but I'm getting better. The thumbs came off and I could have fixed them. I just ain't had time. I've been working. But you know, these don't look too bad for me doing them myself. And then this nail just never had a chance. It literally came off, but I'm going to actually order some more tips because I like the ones I have, but I really don't. I want to spread my horizon. So yeah, I will be back later on this vlog. I'll probably be back tomorrow, so I'll probably film some stuff tomorrow.
Towel for me and my mom's practice. Yay!
Looking at some of my videos on my channel, I realized I haven't really showed you guys my bathroom. So this is the downstairs bathroom right beside my kitchen. So there's that. I got these unique towels. I seen these on Pinterest and I was like, oh, those are really dope. So it's a different vibe in our living room and our kitchen. So this is one of the floating shelves my husband made, and I just, you know, really was trying to find things to look good. I still feel like something's missing right here, but I'm not for sure. But the floating shell itself, it's so nice. You know, I got this. I don't know where I got this from. I think I got it from Home Goods. But I really like these. These are called Pearl. What are they called? Diamond Pearl? I don't know. My sister told me what they were called. But anyways, got that. I really, this very simple thing. I actually seen this on my way out of Home Goods. I've been had this. This is something new. And I really like this. Just Life eyeliner, everything. Totally. Very simple, everything. Then I have this towel. At first I didn't know about the towel because I felt like it could contrast with the floor, but honestly it kind of goes with it. I'm kind of over this color little towel, whatever. So I'm trying to think of what I should do, or should I take both of them out? I'm not for sure. But originally these were silver. We painted these. So yeah, and then let me show you because I don't really want to be on camera. This is my, here's a good view. So this is my mirror. Originally this cactus was over there where the toilet was before we got the shelf. I really thought the round mirror was like a look that I feel like everybody's kind of going towards this time and age. But yeah, look how all that looks really good together. I thought the cactus was very unique. You don't really see cactus in people's homes like that, and I didn't want to put it out there, so I thought this would be a great place for it. We took our old sink out and just got a new vanity in the sink, and then gold is kind of like our thing. And then yeah, very simple and very chic. So I thought I would share the bathroom look with you guys. I can't believe I never showed you guys. The bathroom that I didn't talk about was my lights. Originally they were like this, I don't know, they came with the home. They were tacky. They were like the frosted look, and I feel like frosted is so played out. But we got these bubbled big glass vases, I guess that's what they're called. And then we spray painted, because that was silver, spray painted that black. And then of course you gotta have the bright ass lights because it really just opens your home. So yeah, didn't want to leave that part out. All right guys, so I'm gonna end this vlog. It's Sunday and we were kind of busy yesterday, so I wasn't really able to vlog, but I did vlog a little bit, so I'll put that on the next video. But yeah, this week was kind of like nothing too crazy. Like I said, we're getting ready to redo the our bathroom. We went to Lowe's, got a towel and whatnot. So yeah, next week vlog will probably be mostly about redoing our bathroom and stuff and painting, so I'll vlog all that stuff. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for my 25 subscribers. I think I got 26 on that for sure. Don't quote me on it, but I'm in my daughter's room. But yeah, thank you guys for watching my videos. I'm almost to 100 views on one of my videos, so I just wanted to shout you guys out. I feel like people enjoy my video, so that's exciting. I will definitely have more videos. I have a haul coming up, so be on the lookout for that. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe my channel, and until next time, be safe guys.